What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tony and I want to thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for helping my channel grow, and I hope that you enjoy my content. Today I want to share with you my entry-level precision turbo 5976 for my Audi A3 build. Let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Nice, look at that. Woo! It's a T4 housing, but I need to replace the exhaust housing because my manifold is a T3. So let's get it. Just gonna loosen up this. And that should do it. 6 bolts. Here it is, guys. It's brand new. Woo! Wow. Right, so I'll be replacing this T4 with a T3. Which I'm going to unbox right now. All this bubble wrap's like a Christmas present. Jeez. So here we are. Here we are, the difference is right here. T3, T4. Take a profile. I just wanted to spool a little bit faster because this seems kind of big for my 4-cylinder Audi. Yeah, I guess I'll hold into this for some other setup or something. Now let's see if this fits. I'm just hoping it does. This is an eBay one, AR82. Yeah, hopefully this fits. If it doesn't fit, I guess we'll be ordering another one. Mierda, no cabe ahí. Ábrelo un chismo. Well, guys, after playing around with the 2 housings, I couldn't get it to work. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to purchase another one for my application. So right now, what I'm doing is I was trying to compare them, see if I could take it to the machine shop, get this one opened up a little bit. But what I'm seeing is this cheap eBay is too thin. So I'm thinking that if I do open it up, what's gonna happen is it's gonna melt away. It's just gonna not work properly. So what I'm gonna do is just purchase a new one. I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I wanna tell you guys that I really appreciate the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.